Hi guys, welcome to another WordPress video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video, we showed you how to turn any text from a blog post or anywhere you like into a little interactive button, just like this one. We used a bit of custom CSS. I was using the awesome Divi theme. And with most WordPress themes, you can go down to your dashboard, and it'll say Appearance, and you'll find Customize there. This will take us to this page here usually. Home page by default is set to your latest blogs. But at the bottom there's an additional CSS panel. And this is where we put our CSS in our video the other day. A lot of people have asked, they've got the 2024 theme, the free WordPress theme, and can't find anywhere to put that and don't want to add a plugin. So I'll show you where you can do that. I'm going to copy this. And let's go back now to the dashboard. I've got the 2024 theme on here. If I go to Appearance and Themes, we've got the Divi activated there. Let's activate the 2024. Okay, and the first thing you're going to notice is this little menu's changed down here. We've got our appearance, but all it's got underneath it is Themes and Editor. And neither of those are going to give you anywhere that you can put custom CSS. So what you need to do if you're using the 2024 theme, same URL you use to log into your site with the WordPress admin right at the end there. After the /, get rid of whatever's there if there's something there. So it should say /customize, customize.php, and hit return. Once you do that, it'll take you to this page here. Again, you've got your little home page. You can do your latest post or a static page there, but we've got our little additional CSS panel right here. Let's just see what happens if I refresh this page. The blog post is still there, but we've lost our custom CSS on those buttons there. So we can just paste it in our additional CSS here. If you want to read that, can do. Otherwise, you can close it, get it out of the way. Just put your cursor in there. You can copy that code from under the video from yesterday, paste that in there, publish it. Now if we go back to this page, do a quick refresh, roll on down, we've got our little buttons back. I see there's a little line under there, which there should not be. If you want to get rid of that, you look at our code here. In the tag there, say text decoration none. We may have to force that. Refresh again. That's better. It's gone. I got rid of that quite easily. So there you go, guys. Hope that answers that question about the 2024 theme. Like I say, I was using the awesome Divi theme. I'm going to switch it back in a minute. But if you want to add custom CSS to your 2024 theme, that's where you do it. Your WordPress URL, I'll put this down below, customize.php. Just put customize.php on the end of where you'll normally log in. It'll take you to this page here. Short and sweet video today. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them down below the video. I'll do my best to answer them or make a little demo video like this one. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.